I grew up in California, Orange County. Very beautiful, sunny all the time, so the seasons are definitely different. My dad grew up in Boston, so we would always come back and visit, and I always loved it. Going to school here was always something I knew I wanted to do. I love the energy. I always say that the Fenway area is the suburb of Boston, because Emmanuel, it's its own campus, and I love that. It's its own campus in the middle of a city, and you don't get that anywhere else. When it comes to the professors, being as hands-on as they are is just incredible. I couldn't even imagine going to a bigger school. Your students feel welcome to go to you. They're not in this big lecture hall where, they're like, I'm up here to teach. It's like, I'm up here to teach you. I worked at Boston Latin starting in September, and I ended my student teaching in December. It's great that Emmanuel has such good connections with schools all around Boston, especially Boston Latin, being able to get in there and have a mentor teacher and someone that will guide you throughout the whole experience. Truly being in the classroom every single day teaches you to apply what you learned to the classroom. I also learned how to truly adjust practice and truly just go with the flow and what the students are giving and how to give them what they need. So meeting diverse needs and seeing where the students are and trying to build relationships and connections to students, because that's so important in a classroom, and creating a great classroom environment. Emmanuel is so warm in my mind. You struggle all throughout college, you have all these experiences, because you're supposed to. But anytime I talk to my friends, I always say I'm going home. And when I say home, I mean here. Emmanuel is the heart of education. Emmanuel is the heart of Boston.